The question is, what is a mesosome in a prokaryotic cell? Mention the functions that it performs. Prokaryotic cell means it is a primitive cell with does not have a nucleus and it lacks membrane bound cell organelles. So here in the picture we can see a plasma membrane. So this plasma membrane undergoes folding, and this foldings of plasma membrane is called mesosomes. So mesosomes are found on the plasma membrane. So the plasma membrane is folded. This folded structure of plasma membrane is called mesosomes. So they are specifically found in the prokaryotic cell. Now, what are the functions that it performs? So generally in a eukaryotic cell, the membrane bound cell organelles like Golgi apparatus, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, all these cell organelles perform certain function. But in prokaryotic cell, these cell organelles are absent. So all these functions are performed by the mesosomes. So the first one is cell wall formation. So every bacteria is surrounded by an outer structure called cell membrane. So this is plasma membrane. Outside the plasma membrane, there is one more layer which is called cell wall. So the cell wall is formed by, secreted by the enzymes present in the mesosomes. DNA replication. That means duplication of DNA. So here is the DNA. So this DNA is duplicated by the enzymes present in the mesosomes. Respiration. That is breaking down of the food. The food is broken down to provide energy in the form of ATP. So this breaking down of food takes place in the mesosomes. So generally in eukaryotic cell we can find this function, that is respiration, in the mitochondria. So prokaryotic cell does not have mitochondria and these functions takes place in the mesosome. Secretion. The next function of mesosome is secretion. They produce antibiotics. So bacterial cells produce various types of chemicals like antibiotics and other things. All these are secreted by the mesosomes. And to perform this activity, there should be an increased surface area. To increase the surface area, the plasma membrane undergoes folding. So mesosomes also increases the surface area for enzymatic reaction. Just like in our intestine, we have villi which undergoes many folding to increase the surface area for absorption of nutrients. So similarly, the mesosome increases the surface area to perform many enzymatic reactions. That is cell wall formation, DNA replication, respiration and secretion.